Welcome back to Sister Farms, everybody. Now you're gonna watch episode 2 if you stick around. So, we're on farm number 2 now. We finished farm number 1 that following day. And now we're on farm number 2. We have one combine over here. I think we want to combine 1 grain cart load. But everything, the belt just came off. We helped to put it back on. Corn's really tall. It really has to put the energy into the ear, more into the stalk. You can see some things go flying out of there. That's the... This farm is a lot bigger ear on it though. That ain't a bad ear. There's only one on every stalk, so it really ain't doing that great, but it's doing okay. I think. For the year that we had, we ran out of water about 3/4 of the way through. Other than this, hopefully we're gonna get this field opened up today and get to that field down there and get these 2 sides off. But other than that, I don't think we're gonna do much more. There is no yield monitor in that combine. It would be pretty neat to have one. But as you can see with this hybrid too, is over here. I'm trying to shake you guys too much, but over here, as you walk over, you can see that there's some down corn, and we do not like to see this. And it doesn't look like the deer have been trampling in here. Oh wait, deer are just so gentle. It must have been aliens or something like that. But all the cobs are eaten right off by something. We don't know what it is. But some of the stalks are just breaking. I just touched that and it just fell over. It's not a good stalk to hold up in your corn if it can't even hold it up. But like, this is just unacceptable. Like this should be like a nice ear. It's just not yielding what it probably should be. So he's gonna have to... I don't think it's worth riding the head on the ground right here at all. But main thing is hopefully we might be able to break even this year with this corn. Hopefully next year we can figure out a different hybrid or something to use. But other than that, it wasn't a great. It was a pretty good growing season. It just ran out at the end, and it's just unacceptable how it grew. It's not very acceptable, but you guys can finally kind of see how the corn head works when it goes by. Corn cob. Oh, here's a 7110. Man, Jesus. I almost got hit by a corn cob. Sorry for the language. That was a close one. Oh. That thing comes flying out of there. Hopefully I got it on camera. I don't know if I did or I didn't. That was a close one. The bin ain't even too full and we ain't gotten that far. I'm really looking at having pretty good yielding corn this year, but I don't think it's going to happen with this hybrid. Hopefully we can get a different hybrid next year. It doesn't put so much energy into growing up. It just wants to grow up is all this corn wants to do. Like, it's as tall as the combine like you guys see in that clip. That's not good. It needs to put more energy into this. Needs to. 2 years on a stalk. Unacceptable for the growing season. I don't like that. We're gonna unload right there. I'll zoom in for you guys. You should unload in a second. There you go. Oh, my cousin's over there somewhere. Just hopped in a tractor. The M3 does a pretty good job. I think it's a great combine, but it'd be better if we had more of this. It would be great, and then it would just be perfect. That's a good thumbnail. Oh boy, we're gonna have to get this picture. I can't get it. Hopefully I took a picture. Okay, probably did. So we're combining on farm 2, and everything's a little green also. Oh, is it still zoomed in? Oh yeah, it is. There you go. You guys aren't being just jumbled around like no tomorrow, but this won't be too accurate for moisture testing because they're small and it's got trees all the way around it. This right there is what we want to get into and fill that cart up with. We want to fill it up with what is down here, and hopefully it does something better down there or something. But there's always going to be next year for new hybrids and stuff. This farm has a lot of rocks, but the ground is good, so that's what we kind of think. If the ground is worth going over with the rocks, it's worth it. So I'm going to hop in the combine and see you guys in the next clip. So, see you guys in a few. gonna end it for today. See you guys in a few. I think we're gonna go make corn stalk bales next. Well, it's a little bit later in the day. Got about half this field raked. There's the rake. Raking up corn stalks right now. Doing a pretty good job. I'm at second high around 1,300, 1,400-ish there. There's a raking up okay. I'm trying to go kind of kitty corner and not go just straight back and forth. It's been working okay, but I might change it. I don't know. I just think they rake up a little bit better this way. We're going to turn this around. Pull back your throttle. Pull back on that lever. Turn around. It's harder doing everything with one hand. I use the other one for the camera. Knock that down a little. Finish turning around. Drop it. And go. I think this old tractor does a pretty good job. I don't know what year this tractor is. It's got to be made in the 70s. Doing an okay job. That's the only thing them stalks are going to pay off in is corn stalk bales. That's going to be about it. Or bedding bales, whatever you call them, no matter. Kind of soothing watching all that go into one spot. Basically just dead plant matter that'll soak up moisture is what it is. Cows get a treat every once in a while when there's an ear of corn on the ground. Kind of gets put into a bale. Some people even use these for feed. We try not to. We try to make enough hay off of that. So right now we got done raking the stalks and we let them lay for a little while. And now they are nice and crunchy and dry, so we're gonna bale them for bedding. And I have a surprise for you guys. I got some drone footage of baling some of these bales, so enjoy that and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Okay, we're finished now, so all I gotta do is take this one little bale home. Hopefully I can steer it good. Not in that spot so good. Yeah, lame. A little bit more up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there will be many more of these videos coming out this year. We have a lot of corn to take off still. We're very slowly getting closer to the end though every day. And I think we got this bale on the forks. Yep. So, yeah, that bale is pretty small, so hopefully I don't tip the skid loader over carrying it. But that's gonna end out today. Pretty nice sunset there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and then check out all my other videos. And it doesn't hurt just to share this video to a couple of your friends too, just to be nice to me. So thank you guys for watching. And well, I'm gonna let you guys see the sunset for a little bit more right now.